Alright, Mike Montgomery here with my 2015 Mongoose Boot'r bike check here at Red Bull Rampage. Just got off the mountain. As you can tell, I used it. It's dirty, it's muddy. It's the way it's supposed to be ridden. We're going to start out with the X-Fusion fork and rear shock. Threw it on the bike. Loved every moment of it because it takes every single hit I throw at it. For the cockpit, got the Race Face Atlas set up. New 35mm bar and stem. Love it. Super stiff, extra light, all that stuff. As well as the Race Face seat post. The new 6 Race Face cranks. It's all super clean right here because it's their new cinch system. All you BMX nuts can approve. Shimano spec'd it out with some Saint brakes as well as shifter and derailleur for me so I can get up to speed and back down. Lastly, wheels. I have the Alex FR30 wheels, laced them to some profile hubs. Love that sound. There you go. And on the outsides, I got some V-rubber to stick me to the ground through those corners and jumps. And that's my Mongoose Boot'r.